Are you ready to take your car audio experience to the next level? Look no further than the Recoil DI1200-4 full-range Class D 4-channel car audio amplifier. With an impressive 2,400 watts of maximum power and RMS ratings that deliver crisp and clear sound, this amplifier is a true powerhouse. What sets the Recoil DI1200-4 apart is its high-speed MOSFET power supply and premium-grade internal components, ensuring top-notch performance even during extended use. Worried about overheating? Don't be. The amplifier features highly efficient heatsinks designed to keep it cool while maintaining its sophisticated appearance. But it's not just about power, it's about control too. With adjustable user controls for gain, LPF, HPF, crossover, and bass EQ, you have the flexibility to customize your audio exactly to your liking. Whether you're a bass enthusiast or prefer crystal clear highs, this amplifier has you covered. And let's talk about versatility. The Recoil DI1200-4 is not just for car audio enthusiasts. It can be used in countless applications thanks to its robust design and 4-way protection circuitry. From powering your car speakers to driving your subwoofers, this amplifier does it all with ease. With over 50 years of industry experience backing it, Recoil Audio delivers on its promise of great affordable products. And the DI1200-4 is no exception. So why settle for anything less? Upgrade your car audio system today with the Recoil DI1200-4 and experience audio like never before. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.